welcome back. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna make some rose water. Never made rose water, but it seems pretty simple, and I just don't want to waste roses. Like, I feel really bad just like throwing them when I was like, I could put these to use. So it's supposed to be super easy and simple, so let's try it out. So I already have like a little bit of roses, but that's like, this cup is really small, so that's really not a lot. I do have these flowers right here. I already picked one rose off, so I want to leave them because they're really pretty. Okay, and I got my pot, so I'm gonna go ahead and add these roses in. They're so soft. I just want to rub them on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and like fill these up with a measuring cup and just see how much water I should use. So that's about, that's okay, half a cup. I do have a bigger measuring cup, but I got this for now. So far that's half a cup. I mean, you don't want to make more. This should be a smaller pot, but work with what you got. And you want that to heat up first, and then you'll put in your roses. You don't want to put the roses in before, after they boil. You want to put it in while the water is still warm. So we're gonna wait for that. Okay, so it has only been a couple minutes. The water, don't ignore me now. The water is warm already. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw those petals in. So you're gonna want to get something like a little like pyrite glass to sit on top to kind of, yeah, make sure the petals stay submerged. And you want to boil it for about 5 minutes. So it's not boiling yet, because yeah, we put it in warm water. And we're gonna turn the heat up just a little more. I kind of hear it. And yeah, we're gonna wait. So yeah, 4 to 5 minutes. You don't want to do it too long. You want the water to still have, like, you want the water to be red. You don't want it to be yellow. If you do it too long, it'll be like that. So I'll be back. So this is how the water came out. It looks super good. Like, it looks good. I can't really see it yet, but we're gonna go ahead and pour it out and drain it. I'm just gonna use a spatula because I'm a lazy bitch. And honestly, I kind of want to put like my roses in my rose water, and I've been seeing everyone like draining them out, but I'm like, can I leave it? But we're gonna go ahead and pour that out. You guys see that color? This is exactly what we're going for. Look, that looks fucking beautiful. And you're gonna want to squeeze. You don't need a strainer. I feel like that's excessive. Why waste more pots and pans and shit? I'm just gonna squeeze all the leftovers. I don't know if we can add. I don't see why we can't add this to our. I'm gonna add a few to my spray bottle to make it look all pretty. I don't have a cute, pretty container. I literally just have a regular ass spray bottle to put this in, which I'm like heartbroken because I want to be bougie and I want to put it in a cute container. But we're gonna work with what we got. So this is what we have left. Like, look at that. So we want to cool this down as fast as possible. I almost forgot. So I'm gonna put this down. before I drop it. Because you don't want this to steam up, because you will lose like the benefits of the, you know, of the rose water. So we want to cool it down as fast as possible. I'm going to submerge it in some ice water, and we're going to let that cool down. So you can see, I can see it steaming a little bit. Yeah, we're cooling it down just so, and this is, I don't know the science behind it, but yeah, you want to cool it down. That's all I know. There's a fucking piece of hair right there. And yeah, so I would just give that like 10 minutes. It really doesn't matter. You can just leave it as long as you want. It's not gonna bother. And that is how you make rose water. I just made rose water. I am so excited. 100% organic. And we're gonna put this in a little ugly ass bottle, but it's okay. Okay, so this is the bottle that I have. See what I mean? Not cute at all. But it's okay. That's what we got. It's clear enough to see, kind of. I really want a cute bottle, so we're gonna go ahead. This was warm out, so it's not steaming up. But I feel like it is gonna be a lot fresher on your face once it is cooled down. I'm not sure. I haven't looked up to see where you should store it at. I feel like you need to store this in like a cool place. I would like to store it in the fridge. Oh God. Rose water, people. First try. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. But like I said, it would be better if this was like cold. It honestly still came out nice and... that feels really nice. So I am super happy. I made my own rose water. I'm gonna start using this like in the morning, night. Rose water has a lot of natural benefits. I know it helps with your, it's really good for your skin, obviously that's why I'm using it. It just helps like refreshing. It's good for wrinkles, it's good for tightening. It's good for a bunch of things. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful. Hope you guys' rose water comes out good. And have a good day, guys. Bye.